Most of our painting is by hand.
Nobody else uses this method, like Germany, France,
No.
Italy? Only
No.
Polish?
Well, they sometimes use it, but this area is the biggest ceramic in Europe.
You do it better.
They use ceramics, but mostly they use for industrial use, like for pipes or...
Okay.
I know that's what I was going to say, some American stuff.
This area is, I think, is the only place in Europe
Stuff for
to
the,
do
this is stuff for
artistic.
the BXs. Dorm stuff.
Oh yeah,
The
yeah.
BXs.
See the PXs.
Yeah, from here they ship all over.
Lake and Heath. Lake and Heath. Okinawa. Those are all the bases.
Okay, let's come in and we go into the painting room. We have 70 gross painting, all designs, and I will describe what they do.
That's gonna be blue. That lilac color is gonna be blue.
Oh, you will see more.
Look, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, Arlene. That is beautiful.
Okay, welcome to our painting room. We have a
Look at them.
You have a 70 gross to do the painting, all different designs. We have a 3 forms of design. We have a 3 forms of design. So you have traditional. Traditionally is used by sponge. It's like a stamps. And we have unique and super unique. That depends on the hardship of a painting. Like that person doing, that's super unique. He has to by hand. Sometimes they're using pictures, sometimes by his mind. And just look around. Another thing is very important. Most of the colors will come out the same, but the pink color was most predominant after bake will change to navy blue.
That's what I was saying out there.
Yeah. That's a lot of people ask why we don't see the pink, because it's a navy blue.
Oh, sorry.
Just go in to see. Each girl has different pattern, has to do, and that's why I want to explain you with a first, second, and this. If they do, sometimes they rushing and they do mistake. Just they forgot one dot or one flower. That change the quality. That's it. But that's nothing to do with a bake.
Okay, you can still put it in the oven.
Yes, you can. You make the pictures. If you want it, you may try it. I will ask the girl to show you how to do it.
I want to film you. I want to film you doing it. Yeah.
If you want to try it.
Try it.
Anyone else want more of that?
I'm going to walk down.
Yes, okay.
All right, someone try it so I can film you doing it.
That depends on you.
Oh, look how pretty. Look at those.
Co, już pełny głowę tylko jest. Dlaczego babę tylko powinna?
No popatrz mnie.
A te koty?
Wydaje, że tylko babunka i tak. Pani Danusiu!
Dobrze, tu się patrzyłaś.